In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can turn your TikTok account into a business account just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So if you want to turn your TikTok account into a business account, it's super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to open your TikTok account like this, go to your TikTok home page, click on your profile picture and click on setting. You will be directly in this page. Scroll down like this until you see this option business account. So click over here to enable this option in your account. So just click here and you will be directly in this page. So let me show you what you need to do next. It's super easy. So you just need to wait a few seconds for this page to come, and here you go. Scroll down, choose your category from here. For example, I'm gonna choose personal blog, for example. Scroll down and click over here on become a business, and that's it. Your account will be a business account. That's how we can turn TikTok account into a business account. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.